Right, so for a bit of midweek work, I thought I'd just put out a short video like of putting the prop shaft on. I've already got these bolts in the flange up here on the back, because they're a bit of a pain to get in these. They only go in at a certain angle, so, well, you know, when the flange is turned a certain way, so I've got them set up. We've got the prop shaft here. Just try and get it on. Shouldn't be too bad. Huh. How many times have I said that on this car? Easy if I find the nuts. Whoa. Get my hand out of it. That's it. So just get my hand out of it and you can't see anything. One on loosey goosey. That's the two top ones. So I'll move the camera around. Hopefully you might be able to see me put them on the back of the gearbox. Hopefully. All you can see is my hand. Once again, I'm not sure what you're going to be able to see. Probably more than me, to be honest. I haven't set this up or anything this end, so we'll just be playing it by ear. What we got there? Looks like, as long as it can only go on one way. Ow! That didn't hurt as much as what it looked like it might then. It's not the first time. I'm sure it won't be the last. If you get one started, we'll be laughing then. And about laughing, but you know what I mean. Alright, I've got that one in there. Then we go for the next one, which will be here now. Can you see me? I don't know. Shall I try and zoom in a bit? Will that help? Is that better? Or has it disappeared out of shot now? I'll find out when I get home, won't I? Right, might be able to get one more in loose. Don't drop the bolt. Whatever you do, don't drop the bolt. Oh no, I dropped the nut instead. And that's gone inside of the bloody UJ. Right, I'm going to jack it out a little bit. Under the bottom arm so I can turn the prop. Oh, these bolts have bloody moved. It's such a sod. Hopefully, can you see still? Looks like it. Right, let's try and knit these ones up and then we'll go back to the front ones. If we can get our spanner in there. I think my gloves are in a bit better days now. These weren't much more fun when I hadn't done them either, to be honest. There's that one. Next, oh, this is hurting my neck. That's better. I've got my headboard out on me crawler board now. Put my headrest up, it's a bit better. I'm not 21 anymore. tighten that one right up, hopefully, and wedge it on something. There you go. Should you talk them up? Yeah, probably. Right. Yeah. It's tight. One more go. That's it, all done, all tight. I'll just go around again just to check. Yeah, there's one. Two. Three. And the one I just done. Right, I will go and change these gloves and then I will go back to the front one. Right, so I've just got to do up these front ones now, which are going to be about as comfortable as doing up the back ones. Actually, it's not quite so bad. So probably once again not the most exciting video, but I never know what to bloody film, because some people are probably interested, some ain't. Probably interesting so you can actually see that obviously an auto prop shaft is the correct length for the 5-speed SD1 LT77 box. Most people know that anyway. I suppose it's good to see it actually going on there. One. I did cheat and put all the rest of them in loose while I was off camera, but just so I won't fumble with all the nuts again like I did earlier. Two. Obviously I've got one of the back wheels just very slightly off of the ramp at the back, which is a little bit naughty, but if the jack did go down, all it's going to do is just settle down on the ramp, because it's literally just nearly touching it. It's just enough so I can turn the prop. It's free. Last one. I really do with jamming that against something, but these are tight, they will be tight enough. Yeah. That's it. That's it, she's on. Right, so see if I can get my head up so you can see me. Right, so that's going to be the end of this one. So thanks for watching again, and I will catch you guys on the next one. See ya.